Hi, so looking at CAT 2020 DLR slot 2 first set. Okay, so we'll look at how to solve the different sets in the best possible manner. So this question is 25 colored beads are to be arranged in a grid, 5 row, 5 column. Each cell in a grid must contain exactly one bead. Each bead is colored either red, blue, or green. And while arranging the bead, there are rules given. Two adjacent beads along the same row or column cannot be are always of different colors, so can't be of same color. There's one green between any two blues. So if you have blue, that means there should be a green between two blues. That is one blue and at least one green, blue and green between two reds. Every unique complete arrangement of 25 beads is called configuration. Okay, let's start with first. A total number of possible configuration using the beads of only two colors. Now, if I'm using two colors, I can't use red because between two reds, I need both, blue and green. So I can use blue and green combination. And if I'm using only two colors, so automatically you can make out that if I start with one color, let's say blue, automatically next will be green, next will be blue because two adjacent can't be of the same color. And so on, we'll continue. So blue, green, blue, green, blue, green, blue, green, blue, and so on. So we'll get a complete configuration and this is one set of configuration. Is there anything else possible? Yes, I can start instead of blue, I can start with green. I get a second configuration. So basically you can make out there are only two configuration possible. So answer will be 2. If I start with blue, I'll get a whole series where it's alternate blue, green because only two colors. Same if I start with green, I'll get one more configuration with green, blue, second configuration. So two configuration possible. Red is not possible because between two reds you need blue and green, both the colors. So red will not be possible when there are two colors used. The answer out here is 2. Okay. Next, what is the maximum possible number of red beads that can appear in any configuration? Now, one way to look at maximum is try to put red as frequently. Let me start with red. So there'll be more reds. I know there'll be a blue and green between them, right? So I put a blue, green, and I can again have red in the fourth between two columns. Then I can have a red. That means there should be at least two elements between two reds. So automatically, if I go to column, there'll be a red out here. There'll be a red out here. So you have 4. Let's look at next row. If I want to have two reds in the second row, I technically will have to have red here and red here because you can't have two adjacent reds. So I can't put in first column. So I have to put in second column red, red. So if I put in the same column, it becomes red and red. Okay, because there should be at least two, one blue, one green between the columns. So last in the third row, I can have only red in the middle part. I can't have anywhere else red. So if you notice this, there are total 9 red beads which are possible. So maximum red is 9. You can't have more than that. Again, you can put blue green between. So for example, if it's green, you can put blue, and then you can put green and blue and so on. Because two adjacent, I mean, they have said at least one green between two blues. So that means here will be green, then there is blue, and so on. You can fill it up. Okay. So automatically green, blue, so blue, and you can fill up the whole configuration accordingly. What is required, right? So you can make out that there will be 9 beads at a max, which is possible. Minimum number of blue beads in any configuration. So I want less number of blue, right? So either I'll check out. I can start with red. If I start with red, the second can be green. I'll have to have a blue in the third because I can't repeat the red because between two reds there has to be green and blue. But if I start with green, I can have a red, I can have a green, and then a blue will come. So that means between two blues, maximum there can be 3 elements which are there between two blues. So let me start with green, red, green. So you will have blue only in the fourth series, not before that. Okay, so similarly, if I look at green, red, green, I can have only blue in the after 3 series. Okay, which is possible. I mean, latest, I'm trying to put blue as late as possible. This also basically means that every row will have a blue, at least one blue. Okay, if I keep on delaying as much green, red, green, blue, every row will have a blue. So because you can't have all the 5 elements of green and red. right? So based on that, if you look at it, I can have this combination green, red, green, blue, and I can keep on fitting in so that there is one blue in each column plus, or each row there is one blue, except in the fourth row there will be two blue. So which means I'll require six blues at least, minimum. So six is the answer. You can fill it up. You can see that you require one blue at least in each row. So I could maybe have a blue out here, okay, and then blue out here. So totally you'll have see six blues. Put the other colors accordingly in between and you will get the answer. Something on it. I'm not saying that this is the exact configuration, because out here then this will become red, but between two reds there is one green and one blue. So this technically is not possible, which is there. So in that case, I'll accordingly arrange and try to figure it out. So maybe I put one blue out here, which means that there could be a green and there could be a green out here, that way. So I could arrange and then go about it. So which means the blue could come here, okay, and so on. So you can arrange it accordingly so that you have, minimum six blues, right? Red, green, blue, green, red, and so on. You can keep on putting the colors to ensure that there are only six blues. So that's how you get the answer six. You can also fill it up. There's no harm in filling it up. It will not take you time to fill it up. But with this, you'll have a fair idea that it can be minimum six blue. Two red beads are placed in the second row, third column, and third row, second column. Now, in the second row, there can be only one red, because between uh, two reds, there has to be one blue and one green. So I can't have more than one red out here in the second row. Okay. So based on that, maybe you can work on that and check out what can be possible. So if there is red out here, or you can look at either second row or you can look at third row. Third row, red can be here. The next earliest red can be here. Two reds out here, right? If I look at a column, the second column and the fourth column will have only one red, one red. Moment you have red in between, you can't have red up, you can't have red down, because there should be at least two elements in between. So second and fifth column will have only one red. All the other columns can have two reds. So I can have two reds out here, right? So automatically, then if you look at it, I can have maybe one red out here, and one red out here, which is possible. This I got a hint from the first question. So there can be total 8 reds. So I already put 2 reds. How many more required? How many more required? 6 more required. So answer will be 6. So I have already put 8 reds. So I can put 8 reds as a max. The key out here is the same as the first question. Between 2 reds, you need to have 2 particular values. The moment I have a red out here, the next red can be earliest out here. The moment I have red out here, the next red can be earliest in the same row column. Now, then you can accordingly figure out. The rest 4 can be out what is mentioned out here, because in this particular column you cannot have more reds. This column you cannot have more reds. In this column you cannot have more reds. You can have only reds in these two columns, two at a max. Try to put it, you will get the answer 6. So it's more of imagination and trying to get it. If you want, you can fill up the other data, but once you get these reds, you can manage the blues and greens so that you can fill up the whole information which is there. That is possible. That we checked in the first question. So once you check in the first question that you can fill it up, accordingly you can realize it will fill it up here also. And from there you can get the answer. Yeah, if you go into too detail and try to fill up everything, it will take a long time. It is important to try to shortlist what are possible cases and then work on that. It becomes much quick to get the answers. Thank you.